Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete an Instagram chat from both sides. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the conversation that you want to delete. For example, here's the conversation we're going to work with. Now, long press on the chat you want to delete. You should see the option to unsend it. If you just want to remove it from your end, you can choose Delete for you. But if you select Unsend, it will delete the message from both your side and the receiver's side. Keep in mind, though, that this won't undo any actions like if the person has already seen the message or forwarded it. Once you hit Unsend, it's gone from both ends. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.